Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. The temperature is
getting colder tomorrow, and as we head into Sunday, a rain-snow mix likely, and then snow showers for Monday.
And consistently below 45 Fahrenheit or 7 Celsius. That means it's time to swap to winter tires. And today I'm going to Discount Tire to get them swapped out. The best part is they will do it for free. So let's see how the process goes. So first thing first, I have to remove those Halo Black wheel covers. That way they can get to the lug nuts. Initially, I purchased those winter tire package from Tesla directly. You just purchase on the app and then it will ask you to schedule an appointment. This price included in installation, so you just have to pick a preferred date and time to get this installed through your local Tesla service center. It's kind of rusted inside. Alright, took this wheel cover off. It's kind of weird to see my car without wheel covers, just seeing the rims. Next, I'm gonna load in the winter tires in the trunk. For the trunk, I already fold the rear seats, and also I have seat protection, the all-weather floor mats, and also my trunk protection. So I'm gonna load into those winter tires in here. I got my set of winter tires sitting here since March this year. That's when I took them off. Now it's time to go back to work. For this winter tire package, it came with 4 Gemini dark wheels, Pirelli winter Sottozero 3 tires, tire pressure sensors, and dark wheel covers. I chose Pirelli winter Sottozero tires because Michigan winters can get brutal, and I wanted more than just a tire that survives snow. I wanted one that gives me confidence on icy roads. Those tires use a special rubber compound that stays flexible even below freezing. So whether it's a cold, dry day or snowy morning, the traction feels solid. Alright, it's kind of heavy for those tires, to be honest. Great, now I got all 4 tires loaded up. It's time to go to Discount Tires. If you are purchasing a winter tire package for a 2025 Tesla Model Y, you should purchase the one that says 19-inch crossflow wheel and winter tire package. This is for the new Tesla Model Y. The only difference is those wheels. They are still use the same Pirelli winter Sottozero 3 tires. After checking in, she told me there is 3 hours queue right now. Just need 5 minutes from me to check those tires, and I can come back and pick up my car. Before the installation, they double check the tread depths on all 4 tires. This is a really good practice to make sure they are in good condition before the mounting.
What? Does it say the DOT's on here by any chance?
This one's a 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one's at 9.
And those one on the floor is 8, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna check that one on this side.
Yeah.
Like this rotation, the direction tire is going that way.
Oh.
So this is a right.
That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Winter tires are like those are directional, which means they are designed to rotate it only in one direction. You can tell by the arrow on the side wall showing the correct rotation. This tread pattern helps channel water and slush outward, improving traction and preventing hydroplaning, especially important on the wet or slushy Michigan roads. Alright, I had to go home for a little bit because there was a long queue and it took a couple hours until my car is down. Now I'm back to pick it up. There it is. Let's take a look at those winter tires. The tread is pretty deep. The tread has a sharp directional arrow pattern with tons of tiny saps that bite into snow and channel away slush and water, which really helps on those half-melted, messy roads. And since I drive a Tesla, I didn't want to lose that sporty, responsive feel. Those are my 4-season tires. Everything is backed in my trunk. It's pretty cool. Alright, everything is down. It's ready for pickup. So I'm gonna heading inside the car. It's kind of getting chilly outside. It's getting pretty cold outside. They were telling me it's better to do this weekends than later because there are gonna be more and more people coming here to swap out their winter tires. So at least right now it's not that crazy busy. Those tires deliver great handling, strong braking, and overall stability, making them the perfect balance of winter safety and performance. Huge shout out to Discount Tire for the free install. Now I'm ready for Michigan's winter. If you have any questions for winter tires, leave it in the comments. I'll share my experience once the snow hits. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm still trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.